Hi, my name is Herman Dawkins. I am the campus president at Lincoln Tech Queens campus in Whitestone, New York. We are right next to the Greater New York Automobile Dealers Association. Here at the Queens campus, we offer two programs. One is automotive technology and the other is electrical and electronic system technology. Today I would like for you to take a tour of our campus, so please, let's take a walk.
Hi, my name is Ms. Mendez. I am the Director of Education here at the Lincoln Tech Queens campus. I've been with the campus 15 years. At this campus, we offer two programs, the Automotive Technology program. Our morning program is 13 months long. The evening program is 18 months long. We also started our EEST electrical program, which is a 10-month program. We have a diversity of students here who are looking to grow and build a career in the field of their choice.
Hi, I'm Bacchus, Education Supervisor at the Queens campus, New York. Here at for the automotive program, we bring you in and we teach you everything that you need to know to start a career in the automotive industry. We teach you from basic hand tools to using more precise measuring tools like vernier calipers to measure parts of the engine and all that stuff. We teach you everything from basic electrical to advanced electrical, testing sensors and even the communication between sensors and computers. At the end of the program, you even get two classes left. That would be shop management classes, where you can learn how to open your own shop, make a business plan, how to run a shop, and understand the daily procedures of working inside of a shop. We're also partnered with Mazda. We have a great program going with them where you basically do your online training, and two of our instructors are Mazda certified to train you on our Mazda cars right here in the facility.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Mr. P. I'm one of the electrical instructors here at Lincoln Tech, where you will be learning high voltage, low voltage systems such as CCTV cameras, the smart home technology, and here in our JCI room, you're going to be learning the fire alarm panels. So we look forward to seeing you soon.
How you doing? My name is Dewayne David. I'm an EEST instructor here at Lincoln Tech. Here at Lincoln Tech, we do provide the electrical services that are needed out there in the field for you. We have plenty of different shops that are here that teach you the low voltage wiring, high voltage wiring, VX wiring, Romex wiring, fire alarm systems, and access control systems as well. This is a very nice program. We have very nice instructors here that are willing out there to teach you and get you motivated to get out there to work in the work field.
Hey guys, my name is Andrew Harrington. I'm the Director of Admissions here at the Queens campus. I have a team of admissions reps and we're all here to help you. So what we do here in admissions is we sit down with you, we go over all the information with you, we take you on a tour of the campus, and we ultimately see if this is the right fit for you and you're the right fit for us. And if so, we proceed from there. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself and my team, and we're here to help you. Thank you very much.
How you doing today? My name is Jake Rosenblum and I'm the Director of Career Services here at the Lincoln Tech Queens campus. Obviously, career services is an important part of what we do here at Lincoln Tech and part of the reason you're looking at the school. I like to say that the work we do, we help you on 3 levels. While you're a student here, you're going to be developing your hands-on skills, so we want to work with you on your soft skills, developing your resume, your interview and communication skills. When you're getting ready to graduate from the program, we're going to be working closely together to help you find a job and a rewarding career path, whether you're going with our electrical or our automotive programs here at the Queens campus. Additionally, one of the most important things we do on the career services side is our alumni support. As long as you want to work with us, you have access to the Career Services Department for life. So 1 year, 3 years, or even 20 years down the line, you have a team here to help you in your career path as well. Uniquely to the Queens campus, we are located right next to the Greater New York Automotive Dealers Association, which is really exciting. They're helping us out with training and tons of job opportunities. It's a great time to get involved with our campus. If you have any questions, please email us.
Hello, my name is Shanti Stephenson-Hudson. I'm the Director of Financial Aid here at Lincoln Tech. What we have the pleasure of doing here is assisting our students to apply for federal financial aid, which consists of grants, scholarships, and student loans for those who qualify. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop by and meet with us on campus. We look forward to meeting with all of you soon. Thank you.
We would like to thank you for touring our campus today. If you would like additional information, please visit our website at lincolntech.edu. Look forward to seeing you in the future.